Let me guess. You're wondering how to navigate the Canva homepage. Well, wonder no more, because in this tutorial, we'll be doing just that. We're learning how to navigate the Canva homepage. Hey, I'm Aduky, a Canva designer who has been discovering the app for 6 years and counting. Welcome to my design workshop, your one-stop shop for bite-sized, basic Canva lessons, created to simplify the design learning journey for complete beginners. Let's go. Let's look at this button right here. It's the home button. Looks like a small house. That button is there so you can always find your way back home. For instance, if you click on projects right underneath the home button, let's click on that. It opens up the project section. Now let's say you want to go back to the home page. All you have to do is click on the home icon right here. And there you go. You are right where you began. The home page. At the top right-hand corner, you'll see Try Pro for 30 days. If I click on it, it will open up a window that will allow me to try Canva for free. Let's say we click on the first option. It says try Canva Pro for zero, whatever currency that you're using. You have free 30-day trial, cancel at any time. You'll be reminded before your trial ends. It will give you two options. You can either pay on a monthly basis or on a yearly basis, and the price will be right underneath that. Your next payment will be due 30 days after you subscribe, and it will show you how much you will pay when you subscribe now. So for instance, it says here due today, 0. You can try it out, 30 days free. If you click on next, well, you'll head over to payment. It shows you the journey. First, you have today, free trial for 30 days, cancel at any time. Then you have a reminder date. Then from there, it shows you when you will fully go pro and start your paid subscription. So pay attention to that. And if you'd like to give it a shot, go right ahead. I'm going to close this window by clicking on this X right here at the right-hand corner. The very first thing that stands out on this page is what will you design today? Right underneath that, you have your designs, templates, Canva AI. These options work together with this search bar. So let's see how that works. First, I'm going to click on your designs. As you can see, the search bar is highlighted, and you can see inside it that it says search designs, folders, and uploads. I'm going to click on there and search Canva. Most of my designs have the name Canva in the title. So you can search by using any keyword that will make it easy for you to find whatever you're looking for. This brings me to this. A little tip that can be helpful for you. Whenever you're labeling your designs, make sure to use names that you will actually remember. Don't go doing too much. Just saying. Now let's move on. Okay, right after clicking on Canva, it will bring up all my work that has Canva in the title. Right underneath that, you'll see type, category, owner, and date modified. These are filter options that will help you narrow down your search. Since we're looking for anything that has Canva in its title, whatever filter I apply will be looking for Canva titled projects. It'll be a folder that has Canva in its name, or an upload that you've labeled as well. Now, Under type, if I click on this small arrow over here, let's see what that brings up. You'll see a few options that you can choose from to simplify your search. There's any type, designs, brand templates, images, folders, and videos. Next, you'll see the category button, and when you click on the small arrow next to it, you would have a search bar that allows you to search categories, or you can go through these options below, which include all categories, video, presentation, logo, worksheet, doc, flashcard, poster, whiteboard, Facebook cover. The list goes on and on. You have Instagram post, TikTok video, resume, flyer, YouTube thumbnail, invitation, Facebook post, your story, and mobile video. So you can look through these categories. Now, when we come to the next one, it says owner. Clicking on the small arrow will open up a search bar that allows you to search for people. You have the option to select any owner, which compiles designs you own and those shared with you. Then you have the option to select shared with you. This represents work that has been shared with you by someone else. And then you have your profile name, which represents work that you have created or own. Next, we have date modified. When you click on this small arrow, it will open up a few options for you to select from. There's any time, which includes work that you've created at any time. Then you have work that you've done today. There's also the option for yesterday, in the last 30 days, in the last 90 days, or in the last year. All of this will be related to your initial search, which would be the keyword that you have put in the search bar. I'm going to just click on this X to close that up. Next, let's look at templates. When I click on templates, you'll see here you can search millions of templates and then a few suggestions below. I'm going to type in here marketing proposal just as an example. This will bring up different options that I can choose from and edit to suit the project that I am working on. So let's select one. Let's select this one, for instance. Now you'll see the name of the template. This one says brown and black minimal business proposal. Then you have the type. It's a proposal, it's a portrait, and you have the dimensions as well. Right underneath that, you'll see who designed it, and you can also follow this designer to keep up with their work. And last but not least, you can customize this design. Once you click on customize, it will open up the editor and you can, work your magic, make it your own, and put it out there into the world. One thing you should note is that you can also star this template. This puts it in a separate section, a folder that has all your starred templates or elements. Let's go back. The other thing to note is that you can create and design from scratch by clicking on this plus button. It will allow you to work inside the editor to do your own thing from scratch. Always remember you have any of these templates to choose from. Right under that, you'll see category. When you click on the small arrow, again, it will show you a search bar and all categories. And because we've searched proposal, we can see that proposal has popped up over here. You can search through categories by typing in what category you would like to look for. Remember the options. There you can look for video, Instagram posts, the list goes on. Next, let's look at style. Let's click on the small arrow next to it. You'll see here all styles: corporate, modern, minimalist, professional, creative, simple, clean, minimal, geometric. There's more to see. Minimal, geometric, purple, blank, elegant, bold, photo, lines, black and white, gradient, classic. It's a long list. You can just go through that. Now let's clear the search bar. Next, we'll click on Canva AI, where all the AI magic happens. In the search bar, you'll see describe your idea and I'll bring it to life. You can ask it to design for you. You can create an image, draft a doc. You can ask it to code for you, and you can ask it to create a video clip. Just take note of the fact that this crown that you see here means that this is a pro feature, and so only accessible to pro users. Or if you create anything that has a pro symbol on there, when you are downloading, you'd have to make payments before downloading your design. Just keep that in mind. Okay, let's just scroll down to see what you can do with AI. You can code, you can design, you can write, you can create videos, generate images, and yeah, that's pretty much what you'll be able to do. I'm gonna type in here a quick prompt so we can see how it works its magic. Let's see what it brings up. I asked Canva AI to create an image of a beautiful hiking trail, and these are the images it came up with. Not bad. Beautiful. I would walk here. Now, when you ask it to create an image, you can also select what style you want. And you can select the dimensions by clicking on this 16:9 option right here. Okay, let's go back to the home page. Now, over here, you'll see a few options that have been suggested. These are quick shortcuts that can help you easily find what you'd like to create. You also have the option to put in your own dimensions under custom size. And you can also upload a document, an image. You can add media over here. Then you have the more button, which allows you to see more options of designs you can create. Let's click on that. And it takes us to create a design. Let me take you back one step to show you which other way you can come to this page. From here, and we looked at this in the last tutorial. If you haven't seen it, well then head over there now and watch that video. When I click on this, it opens up that same page. Let's go back, click on more, and there you go. You can see that it opens up the very same page we just saw. Okay. Next, you'll see here recent designs. We'll show you all your recent designs. There are two different views. You can view as list. I'm going to click on this and you'll see it changed to a list format. If I click on it again, it will change to this format, which is the grid, and you'll see a preview of your work. So I hope you've enjoyed this lesson. That's it for the homepage tutorial. Let's look at the projects section next.